up?
It's a good, genuine Italian meatball sandwich.
Begin to make some meatballs.
All right, start with the veal.
Ground chuck.
Some sweet Italian sausage.
3 meats at a burger joint, 2.
Eggs, breadcrumbs. We grind these from French baguettes ourselves.
I love it. Fresh basil,
Minced garlic, oregano,
minced onions.
Parmesan cheese, pepper, salt, a little milk.
This is like Meatball 101.
It's all here.
Go for it.
That together. Let's make meatballs.
You gonna weigh them out?
No, we just kind of eyeball them.
That's a big one. That's a racquetball. So you put them on the tray, cook them off at 350.
Right.
Let them brown up. Now we're making the marinara for the meatball.
Yes. We take our Roma tomatoes.
Oiled, peeled, seeded.
Pour it into the pot.
Whoa! I was there for you every step of the way.
See that?
Just gonna let those tomatoes cook down for an hour.
Exactly.
Okay?
Now we're gonna saute onions, anchovies.
That's a new one. A whole mess of garlic. Like that. Let that all cook down.
That goes straight into the tomato sauce. Now we'll let this simmer for an hour and a half.
What's the final step?
Fresh herbs, oregano, parsley,
Mess of basil.
salt and pepper. Then we stir it up. Then we add a can of tomato sauce.
Hit it with the immersion blender. We got to get you a bigger one of those.
Yeah, I need a bigger boat. We let it simmer for about a half hour. Add Parmesan cheese.
That's the Parmesan. Everything's good to go.
Yeah, we're gonna warm the meatballs up.
Reheat them on the flat top.
Right. While those are cooking, take our bread.
Put the marinara.
Lots of cheese.
And throw that under the salamander.
Cheese is melted.
Nice. Yeah. Look at those. That's a big portion. A little marinara.
On top there.
Guess what? Hot. Oh, I got to cut it. Look at that. That's a real good meatball sandwich. What's your last name?
Carrot.
O'Caleone?
Yeah, on the oni.
O'Caleone. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. So this meatball, nice and tender. The marinara is on point, especially the fresh herbs. Wild garlic. Touch of that anchovy in there. Nice job, man.
Meatball sub.
I love these sandwiches. Good marinara sauce.
It's delicious. Very cheesy.
So when you guys took it over, you said, Mom, one of the things we need to do, make meatballs like we used to have when we were kids.
Yeah.